Best Japanese garden design ideas in the courtyard of a modern house. Japanese gardens have always captivated people with their serene beauty and harmonious design. Incorporating elements of nature, art, and tranquility, these gardens provide a peaceful retreat in the midst of a bustling modern lifestyle. In this article, we will explore the best Japanese garden design ideas that can transform the courtyard of a modern house into a tranquil haven. From minimalist concepts to the use of tropical plants and traditional elements, we will delve into the key components of creating a stunning Japanese-inspired outdoor space. Embracing the essence of Japanese gardens. To achieve an authentic Japanese garden design, it is essential to understand the underlying principles. The concept of minimalism plays a crucial role, focusing on simplicity and the removal of unnecessary elements. By incorporating natural materials such as stones and wood, you can create a sense of harmony and balance in your courtyard. Incorporating interior design elements. To establish a seamless flow between indoor and outdoor spaces, incorporating interior design elements into your Japanese garden is essential. Consider using sliding doors or large windows to create a visual connection between the two areas. By using similar color palettes and textures, you can create a cohesive aesthetic that enhances the overall ambience of your modern house. Garden art and tranquility. Japanese gardens are known for their unique garden art, which adds an element of intrigue and beauty. Incorporate traditional sculptures, lanterns, or even bonsai trees to create focal points within your courtyard. The placement of these elements is crucial, as it should create a sense of tranquility and balance within the space. Tropical plants and Zen garden. While traditional Japanese gardens often feature native plants, incorporating tropical plants can add a touch of exoticism and lushness. Consider using bamboos, ferns, or Japanese maples to create a vibrant and visually appealing landscape. Additionally, incorporating a Zen garden with raked gravel or sand patterns can bring a meditative element to your courtyard. Water features and bamboo elements. Water features, such as ponds or small waterfalls, are a quintessential part of Japanese garden design. The soothing sound of water and the reflections it creates enhance the overall tranquility of the space. Bamboo elements, such as fences or screens, can also be incorporated to add a touch of authenticity and privacy to your courtyard. Creating a Japanese garden in the courtyard of a modern house is a wonderful way to bring nature, tranquility, and aesthetic appeal into your daily life. By embracing the principles of minimalism, incorporating interior design elements, and using traditional components such as tropical plants, stones, water features, and bamboo elements, you can transform your courtyard into a stunning outdoor oasis. Whether you seek a space for relaxation, meditation, or simply to appreciate the beauty of nature, a Japanese garden design is an ideal choice for a modern house.